What's up, everyone? Urgent Memphis here. This is Chillum Road where I'm at. The area that I like. Behind me is the canal. Goes to center Bangkok. And one stop down is Central World. I love this area. I don't live here now, but I will be very soon. And today's vlog it's gonna be very short. There's some artwork down here that I saw last night that I walked past when I walked down this canal. Immediately thought, hey, I got film this for YouTube. So it's gonna be that short vlog, and then I'm gonna end it after the artwork. And if you want to see more of this area, you're gonna have to subscribe and turn on notifications so that, wait a minute, that has something in my beard. I just ate a couple bananas. Okay. Raw, uncut vlog. That's what I like to do. I did the vlog for you guys all the way through. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Oh wait. Canal Boat Ferry. I'm gonna do a vlog on one of those guys very soon. So those guys are fun to ride. Oh man. So enough talking. Make sure you hit that like button if you enjoy these walking videos and get to discover more of Bangkok, Thailand from me, Urgent Memphis, and hit that subscribe button. Turn notifications so you don't miss another update from me again. Okay, here we go. What a beautiful area this area is. Like, one thing I like about Bangkok is the fact that there's all these little stories or side streets over here that you wouldn't even know about if you just stayed on the main road. But you can find some hidden gems over there, which I have. So that's coming up in another video. It's showcasing the cafe that I'm on to right now. And here comes another ferry, another riverboat taxi. And there's the queue where I want to live. Man, those guys are fun to ride. Okay, here we go with the art. Now I'm gonna be quiet. The spirit house over there. Indication. Ooh. There's the Science Square intersection. MBK Center. I don't go there as much as Central World. Central World is my place, but I still like MBK. Good place for electronics and stuff. And there's a BTS. I take that every day to get over here. Enjoy riding the BTS. So quiet over here. That's what I like about, like, there's highways and stuff around here, but this section right here is peaceful, quiet. I like it. That's why I wanted to live here. It's so quiet. It's still in the center of the city, close to the center. It's not a Zokornana where it's like crazy over here. This is quiet. And you still got a lot of people going to Big C and Central World, but it's still quiet. It's in Manhattan. The queue. MBK again. He's on the side. Oh man, this artwork is amazing. There we go. Here's Central World, Sign Paragon. You got all this shopping. Oh, no, then Such an interesting place here. And then you got these 3 towers with the gold yellow tops. And then you got the Thai flag over there. There's tons of hotels on behind that building over there. I hope you enjoy that vlog. As I enjoy walking down here, showing it to you guys. And be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more walking tours of Bangkok, Thailand. The place I love, that I'm gonna live forever. I may go down to the island for a little bit, but I'm gonna say I like it here. I like this area, chilling right here. So yeah, that's the update from me. More content to come, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.